Hello, this video here goes over our end of school dismissal. So at the conclusion of our day, our bell will ring at 2:44 to dismiss students to their buses and to the student parking lot and to our parent pickup parking lot. So as students will dismiss our building, we will be utilizing a staggered class dismissal. So a little bit prior to the 2:44 bell ringing, administration will go around the school and start releasing some classes as early as 2:42 to slowly stagger our building and get our students out where they can socially distance and not be on top of each other. So again, the 2:42 range, we'll start releasing students to the bus area and to the to their parent pickup area to dismiss to go home for the day. I have put a yellow box here over where parent pickup is, and that's located right behind the gymnasium. So if you've not done that before, you would pull into our school. You would then drive around to the right side of the building, and the first drive that you come to behind the high school is going to be a little parent pickup area. You circle around there and you can sit back there and wait for your child to get there with you. At that time, then you would circle back around the school, come to the right, take a right out of that parking lot, and come back out to the front. We will have administration and law enforcement out on US 60 releasing cars back out for dismissal for the day. Again, that is at 2:44. We will be making sure, just a reminder for all students, be sure you wear your mask during dismissal and try to social distance the best that you can. And that'll be a great conclusion to the end of our day. So that is the end of school dismissal plan. Thank you.